Hey there, welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we're diving into a common issue that many of us have encountered at some point while using pre-commit. The problem at hand involves a recent update causing an error message related to the removal of support for language Python_venv. If you've run into this problem, fret not, as we have a simple solution to get you back on track. In the solution provided, we learn that the error stems from the removal of support for language Python_venv in pre-commit 4.0.0. The good news is that language Python_venv is just an alias for language Python, so the fix is straightforward. By updating your configuration directly in .precommit_config.yaml with language Python, you can resolve this issue by running pre-commit migrate config. If the problem persists in an external repository, using pre-commit auto-update should usually bump you to a version that resolves the issue. In summary, encountering errors like the one mentioned is a common part of software updates, but with simple fixes provided by the pre-commit tool, you can quickly get back to smooth sailing with your code. We hope this helps you navigate through similar glitches with ease in the future. Don't forget to subscribe for more tech tips, like this video if it was helpful, and drop a comment below with your favorite programming joke. See you next time.